Go to FEMA's public website, and they give everyone the same basic list: food, water, a radio, and a first aid kit. Simple. Designed for the masses. But dig past the first page into their extended internal guidance, and a completely different list emerges. These are the 13 items FEMA tells their own employees to have ready. The ones that address the real, gritty failure points of a long-term emergency that the public brochure never mentions. Today, we're exposing what's on the insider list and why every single item should already be in your home. Item 13. A whistle. A whistle requires 0 batteries and 0 physical strength to produce a distress signal that travels far further than any human voice. In a structural collapse, shouting exhausts you within minutes, exactly when rescuers are getting close. 3 sharp blasts is the internationally recognized distress signal that search and rescue teams are trained to listen for. $2, no space, potentially the most life-saving item on this entire list. If FEMA's hidden list is already surprising you, hit subscribe. Item 12. A non-sparking utility shut-off wrench. Most people keep a standard steel wrench to shut off gas in an emergency. FEMA says this is a dangerous mistake. In a serious gas leak following an earthquake or infrastructure failure, a steel wrench striking a metal valve generates a spark. In a gas-filled room, 1 spark is all it takes. A non-sparking aluminum or brass wrench eliminates that risk entirely for under $12. This is the definition of a cheap, critical fix most households have never considered. Item 11. Battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is the leading cause of preventable disaster-related deaths, and it kills silently. Every major disaster sees the same pattern. Generators run too close to homes, CO accumulates, and families don't wake up. The gas is colorless and odorless. You won't know it's there until it's too late. A battery-powered detector, not a plug-in wall unit, is the only way to monitor air quality when power is out. For $20, this ensures your survival response doesn't become your cause of death. Item 10. Plastic sheeting and duct tape. This isn't for repairs, it's for FEMA's shelter-in-place protocol. Heavy 6mm plastic sheeting and duct tape are listed as mandatory gear for sealing a room against contaminated outside air. Chemical spills, airborne biological events. There are documented scenarios where sealing yourself inside is dramatically safer than evacuating. Most households own neither for this purpose. For $15 total, you gain the only household-level protection available against airborne contamination, one of the most overlooked combinations on this entire list. Item 9. Unscented bleach and a medicine dropper. FEMA's water purification protocol is precise. 8 drops of unscented liquid chlorine bleach per gallon of water. Most households have scented or splashless bleach, both containing toxic additives that make them unsafe for water treatment. They also lack a medicine dropper for accurate measurement. Without the correct bleach and a simple dropper, you cannot safely execute the most widely used emergency water treatment method in the world. This 2-item fix costs under $3. Item 8. Vital documents in a waterproof container. FEMA responders have documented massive delays in disaster assistance for families who cannot prove their identity or produce insurance records. A waterproof container holding photocopies of your passport, social security cards, bank information, and insurance policies is listed as mandatory in FEMA's employee guidance. Most people store these in a filing cabinet. Filing cabinets don't survive floods or fires. If you cannot prove who you are, the system that exists to help you legally cannot do so. Item 7. Personal sanitation kit. Most preppers completely ignore this. What happens when you cannot flush the toilet for a week? FEMA groups heavy-duty garbage bags, moist towelettes, and plastic zip ties under one critical sanitation function. Placing a heavy bag inside your toilet bowl and sealing it with a zip tie after each use is the official field protocol. It directly prevents gastrointestinal illness that typically spreads through households within 24 hours of hygiene breakdown. After-action reports from every major outage list sanitation failure as a primary driver of secondary health crises. Total cost, under $10. Item 6. Cash in small denominations. In the first 72 hours of any major disaster, the grid fails and takes every payment system with it. ATMs stop. Card readers go dark. A $50 bill is useless if a shopkeeper can't make change. FEMA's guidance specifically calls for a minimum cash reserve of $200 or more in ones, fives, and tens stored in your emergency kit. Small denominations are the only currency that functions universally when every digital system has simultaneously failed. This is the one prep you can do today without buying anything new. Item 5. FRS two-way radios. Cell towers are among the first infrastructure to fail during a major crisis, and your smartphone becomes a paperweight the moment that happens. FRS Family Radio Service radios allow direct household coordination within a reliable 1-mile range without requiring any towers, internet, or external infrastructure. FEMA field teams rely on radio communication specifically because it functions independently of everything else. A quality pair costs under $40 and provides voice communication when every other option has failed completely. Item 4. Extra prescription eyeglasses. Approximately 75% of American adults require vision correction. If an emergency breaks your only pair of glasses, you are effectively incapacitated. You cannot read medication labels, navigate debris safely, or drive. FEMA's employee guidance specifically recommends a backup pair stored in every emergency kit. Losing your glasses transforms every other item on this list significantly harder to use. And it's a failure point almost nobody prepares for until it's already too late. Item 3. Feminine hygiene supplies in bulk. Almost no civilian emergency guide mentions this, but it appears consistently in FEMA's secondary documentation as a standard household requirement. Retail access to these products is typically disrupted within 48 hours of any major outage. A 30-day supply is considered the bare minimum. These items store indefinitely, cost very little to build gradually, and address a critical gap that virtually every generic survival kit on the market consistently overlooks. The field data from real disasters makes the need completely undeniable. Item 2. A manual can opener. After-action reports from every major power outage show the same finding. People forget this one tool every single time. If your pantry is full of canned food, but your only opener is electric, you have built an elaborate system with one fatal flaw. A manual can opener is the only interface between you and your entire food supply when power is out. $5. No batteries, no technical knowledge required, and yet disaster reports prove households consistently fail to have one ready when they need it most. Item 1. Sturdy change of clothes and closed-toe footwear. FEMA's extended guidance requires a complete change of sturdy clothing for every household member. Long sleeves, long pants, and specifically closed-toe shoes. The reason is protection while moving through broken glass, exposed metal, and contaminated debris during evacuation. Most people plan food and water and completely forget footwear. If you evacuate a damaged building at night barefoot, every step through debris becomes a medical emergency. Sturdy boots stored with your emergency kit is listed by FEMA as non-negotiable, and it's the one item most households are guaranteed not to have ready. FEMA's public guides are written for beginners. Their employee lists are built for survivors. These 13 items aren't expensive, but they address the exact failure points that claim lives in real disasters, while the standard public guidance leaves people completely unprepared. If this breakdown helped you identify what's missing from your own kit, hit that like button and subscribe. Which of these 13 were you missing? Drop it in the comments below. Let's close those gaps together.